Hello everyone. I am excited to share announcements with you this week. Welcome to my online bears, my hybrid bears, and all my parents and families out there. Today is Tuesday, so to make a T in sign language, you put your thumb between your two fingers like this and you curve it Tuesday. Happy Tuesday! Today is Tuesday, May 25th. As you know, for the month of May, we're celebrating two wonderful cultures, our Asian American Pacific Islander culture and our Jewish American culture. We are celebrating both of those heritage and all the beautiful and wonderful parts of their culture that they bring to our American society. I was really excited last week to share about Duke, the father of surfing. I hope you enjoyed that video and learned more about a Pacific Islander who was born here in America. Well, this week we're going to talk about someone very special, someone that you may not know, and she is Jewish American. I'm going to talk to you about Ruth Handler. If you don't know who she is the inventor of Barbie. How many of you out there have a Barbie? Raise your hand. I know a lot of you do. Ruth Handler actually created Barbie in 1959, and it has sold billions worldwide. So not just here in the United States, but across the world, Barbie is an extremely popular toy. Ruth and her husband also created a company called Mattel. Her husband's name was Elliot, and his business partner's name was Matt. So they put Matt together with Elliot and made the company Mattel. Mattel makes Barbies and so much more. And Ruth was a president of Mattel at one time. Ruth is Jewish and Polish American, so she was born right here in the United States. She would watch her daughter Barbara when she was younger play with paper dolls, and Ruth thought there has to be something better. So Ruth actually invented a three-dimensional doll that she felt her daughter would enjoy playing with, and she named it after her daughter Barbara and called it Barbie. So Barbie is actually named after Ruth's daughter Barbara. The first Barbie, as I mentioned, debuted in March 1959. Let's take a look at how far Barbie has come. So that is the first Barbie doll that was introduced in 1959. And now look at the Barbies of today. Barbie now comes in all cultures, all ethnicities, all types of Barbies. You can buy a Barbie that's an astronaut or a doctor. So there's so much variety now with Barbie dolls, which is great. There's so much to choose from. So if you didn't know that the inventor of Barbie was Jewish American, now you know. And next time you play or see a Barbie, you can thank Ruth Handler for that. Alrighty, our word of the year is resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, being adaptable and flexible. We are really flexing our way to the end of the year, right? We're almost there, not quite, but we are almost there, and we are really being flexible during this time. We are practicing lots of patience because as we get near the end of something, we get really anxious and we are just ready for it to end. We're ready for our summer. We're ready for the last day of school. Although it does feel like we've had such a short time together here on Hybrid, I'm sure we could go a lot longer, but I think our mind and body knows that summer's coming and we can be a little impatient during this time. There's actually 11 days to go. 11 days starting tomorrow. That is just crazy to think that this year is almost over. Whether you are at home online or you're here on Hybrid, I know that with 11 days to go, it can be tough to stay motivated, to want to still do your homework, to still participate in class, but you gotta keep on going. You gotta be resilient. You gotta persevere. Can't give up. Be patient with yourself, but tell yourself to keep going. So, with 11 days to go, we want to finish strong. That's our motto right now. Finish strong. Don't give up. Finish the course. School is your course. It's like a track, like our track here at Beethoven. Pretend that you're almost to the finish line, but you're not there yet. Just like the picture showing the runners on the track, they're not at the finish line yet. They're almost there. And you would never give up, right? You would never stop. You got to keep on going. Alrighty, so 11 days to go. We're going to finish strong, Beethoven Bears, whether you're at home online or you're here on hybrid. Keep your stamina, keep your perseverance. Don't give up. And for those that don't give up, I'm sure you might be in the runnings to be recognized as Student of the Month for the month of May. I'm sure it's those students that persevered, that were resilient, that showed a lot of patience with our new transition to online and hybrid, and who didn't give up. Who out there is finishing strong and will possibly be recognized as the Student of the Month for their class? We will find out next week. So a big shout out to all of our bears, our amazing astronomers that are here on hybrid, our brilliant biologists that are also on hybrid, our dynamic discoverers that are online, and our clever chemists that are online. I want to give a high 10 to each of you. There it is. Keep on going, finish strong, be resilient, don't give up, still participate, and work really hard until the end. 11 days to go, Beethoven Bears. Reminders for your families, and just to let you know as well, our COVID school-based testing is on Friday, so we have about two more Fridays left to go. I don't know if it'll be on the last day of school. We'll see. Daily pass is required every day. Thank you, parents, for ensuring you have your daily pass. We know there are technical errors that occur, and the teams at the gates are ready to let me know. All I have to do is just check that your bear has their negative COVID test and you are fine. Our weekend meals, parents, if you're interested in those, send a note with your Beethoven Bear and they will be sure to send home weekend meals with snacks and goodies for your family. Our Monday schedule, we only have, how many more Mondays to go? One more Monday, because next Monday there's no school. So parents, remember on June 7th, our last Monday, that the schedule is 8 to 10:30 and 11:30 to 2. Star update, parents. We are doing our best to accommodate Star. I know we only have 11 days to go and haven't been able to accommodate everybody on the waiting list, and I do apologize for that. But again, if you're interested in Star, please email Mr. Jesus Perez at jesusp@starinc.org, and he's doing his best to accommodate families. Here on hybrid, one of the things that we keep working on is social distancing. I know it's 11 days to go, right? We can do this. So Beethoven Bears that are here on hybrid, don't forget to social distance. Don't forget to keep on following that rule. And that's so if anything should happen, we'll know that we were safe and we did what was right. So thank you, Hybrid Bears, for persevering through this. Alrighty, announcements for this week. May 24th through June 6th, we're having our silent auction. Thank you to the Friends of Beethoven. Thank you to Miss Spence, who spearheaded our silent auction. We have Kathy Vigil, another former parent in the background, that helped to set up our Bidding for Good website. And we are hoping our silent auction brings in great funds to help support Beethoven. So I'll talk about silent auction very shortly. May 25th through the 27th, actually starting Wednesday, we are giving our third graders the All-Sat test. This is the gifted screener that they should have taken last year, and they're taking this year instead. Thank you to our third grade teachers, Miss Arthur, Miss Mills, Miss Gelman, and really thank you to Miss Arthur for being our gate coordinator and coordinating this All-Set test for our hybrid and our online students who wanted to take advantage of it. On Friday, May 28th, we have another Spirit Day. Thank you, Student Council. It is Dress Alike Day. Find your buddy and dress alike, whether you're hybrid or online. Find someone to dress with. Maybe it's 2 of you, 3 of you, 4 of you. It doesn't matter. Just dress like a buddy and let's have a fun day. Monday, May 31st, there is no school in honor of Memorial Day. So that's why our last Monday will be June 7th. So we have one more Monday scheduled to go. On Friday, June 4th is another Spirit Day, and that's Arts and Crafts Day. So on this day, we're going to be very artsy and we're going to show off our artistic abilities. On Saturday, June 5th, we have our culmination picnics. Our 5th graders get to come here at Beethoven on a Saturday from 11 to 1 and bring food with them, enjoy their friends, play some games, and celebrate their last year here at Beethoven. And as I mentioned a few times already, Monday, June 7th is our last Monday, and our schedule is 8 to 10:30 and 11:30 to 2. Our silent auction, it's a little jumble, excuse the jumbling, but it is May 24th through June 6th. Families, please support our silent auction. You can go to bit.ly, capital FOB, capital silent, capital auction, or you can scan the QR code there on the screen. Please find some things that you might like. Send this link and the QR code to your family and friends and community members. And I also want to thank our family, friends, and community members for donating items to our silent auction. Thank you for giving us items to be able to auction off. All of it goes back to Friends of Beethoven, who in turn supports the school. So thank you, Beethoven community, for supporting our auction. Our culminating class of 2021, we are planning a wonderful event for you. We have the picnic as stated already on June 5th, and we have your culmination on Wednesday, June 9th at 8:30. We are looking forward to celebrating this class before they go off to middle school and bigger and better things. Our summer school application is open. Parents, if you're interested, don't forget to go to achieve.lausd.net/summer 2021. They have many different options for summer, so please go there to see all those options. And there's a flyer for English and in Spanish on our parent handbook if you would like to see more details about their programs. We are getting ready as well for August 2021, our new school year, where so far I believe we'll be back to normal, Beethoven Bears. So that's a good thing, right? We'll be back to normal. Everybody will be able to come back who wants to, but we won't have to do hybrid split days anymore. So our calendar for 2021 is online at beethovenschool.org, and our first day of school will be Monday, August 16th. So mark your calendars. Let's get to the birthdays. Happy birthday to several Beethoven Bears. Thank you to the parents who made a donation to Friends of Beethoven. Parents, if you would like your Bear's birthday mentioned during this assembly message, please let Friends of Beethoven know, and we'll be happy to honor your Bear. So we have two Bears celebrating birthdays. We have two beautiful ladies. We have Miss Marisol Andrade. Her birthday is May 24th. Your birthday was Monday. Happy birthday, Marisol. We're so excited for you. And we have the beautiful Luana. Her birthday is Friday, May 28th. Happy early birthday, Luana. I hope you all are doing something special. We're excited for you and your birthdays. We also have staff that have birthdays. Mr. Herman actually has a birthday on Friday as well. So happy birthday, Mr. Herman. And Mr. O has a birthday on Sunday, May 30th. So happy early birthday to them as well. Please continue to think about our Pedro. He is doing better. He does plan to come back. We hope he comes back soon. So please continue to think about Pedro, and we're all wishing him a swift recovery. Now it's time to end our morning. Are you ready to end our morning? Yes, let's get our R's ready. Take your peace sign and squeeze them together. Make your R. Be respectful. Be responsible. Be safe. And last, be a buddy, not a bully. Because what are we? We are, I heard you, winners. We are, okay, I heard you, winners. We are, loud as you can say it. I heard you, we are winners. Beethoven Bears, have a wonderful week. Remember, we're going to finish strong. We're on that track. We're on the last parts of the track, but we don't stop. We don't give up. We're going to finish strong. Thank you and have a great week.